Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today it's all about the GoPro Hero 11 Mini Black. Now GoPro has announced or has officially launched the GoPro Hero 11 Mini Black. For now, what is the most kind of sparked thing? Because a lot of you guys might be asking yourself what's happening with this kind of newer GoPro Hero 11 Mini, because what captured me mostly is the GoPro Hero 11 Mini, and it's really nice, and it reminds me of the GoPro Hero 4 session. If you remember, this has been a really kind of great and amazing kind of GoPro since way back, since 2014 up to today. It's really nice, and as you can see guys here through the camera side how much it's packed really cool, and you can see the way it is. It's really awesome, and the way they kept it same as the way Hero 4 session it is to the Hero 11 Black Mini, which it's really awesome. But the Hero 11 Black Mini, it has been enhanced much better throughout, quality wise, throughout stabilization, because this kind of bad boy does not have that much of stabilization, so you'll be getting a lot of shakiness footage, and sometimes you won't get a perfect kind of quality throughout your videos. But it's a really nice one, to be honest, a really nice GoPro since way back, and I'm really pumped, and I'm like so skeptical because it lasts up to today. Overall, today we're going to talk about the GoPro Hero 11 Mini Black, and we're going to see what's happening. Further ado, let's get started on our video of today. So guys, we're inside the website of the GoPro, and it's really cool. Now as you can see, the Hero 11 Black, it's a really awesome, and I was saying it resembles a little bit like the GoPro Hero 4 session. If you remember, it's a really nice and amazing kind of GoPro since way back in the days, but it has been, I can say, refreshed. A lot of us, we were missing this, because this is like the compact. It's just there. You can just keep it on your helmet, and it's really awesome. If you're cycling, you can just keep it somewhere, places whereby it's hard to see if it's there. And throughout the website, as you can see guys here, first of all, you can just sign up here if you want to get some exclusive, you know what I mean, through the GoPro. So here we got it. You can see highlight videos sent to your phone automatically, so you can just highlight your videos and be sent directly throughout your phone, and it's really awesome. And you can see the way it's kept and the way the video is enhanced throughout the website. It showcases you everything, and it's really cool. Small, light plus simple. I like the way they kept the dual mounting fingers, which it's at the back and downwards. That's really cool, because if you have a mounting whereby you want to just mounting at the front, well, this is capable of doing so, which is really awesome. Not only that, we're having one button simplicity. Now what's that one button? Now the one button is the same as the Hero 4 session. It has just one button and a second button at the back here, so it's just resemble the same. That's why I'm saying the Hero 4 session is like the refreshed of the Hero 11 Black. It has been cooked there, and I'm really appreciating what GoPro have done throughout this kind of GoPro, and it's really awesome. So guys, as you can see throughout here, it captures different variety of videos, and you can just get creative in making perfect content. That's what I like about this GoPro. I'm so pumped through this, more than the GoPro Hero 11 Black. I just fall in love with this one because it's portable, easy to carry, and you can just keep it somewhere. Nobody even knows if you have a camera or anything like that, and it's really cool. Tougher than ever, which I appreciate it. And another kind of stuff, you can mount it on your drones. If you have an FPV drone, it's really awesome to keep it this kind of bad boy throughout there. And it has an what is it called, the stabilization, which is Hyper Smooth 5.0. Now Hyper Smooth 5.0, we can see in action here how much it is, and you can see the before and after, and it's really smooth. Let's be honest, this is a really smooth. I like this video. It's really awesome. Not only that, if you go downwards, you can see auto boost with Hyper Smooth 5.0. Hero Black Mini, Hero 11 Black Mini automatically determines the level of video stabilization you need based on your speed and movement. I like that, because it determines when you are moving fast or you're moving slow, so as it can enhance its own self depending on your motion, which is really good. Not only that, it has built-in horizontal lock, Oh, that's cool. I like that, because if it's capable of locking throughout a certain stance, that's a top notch. That's really cool. And it has a cinematic up to 5.3K. Yeah, but you know, I don't know. Few people shoot on 5.3K, but for me, I think I'll go with 2K or 4K. That's what's up. So many times, even our videos we're posting, it's just full HD. So I just maintain it throughout there. So yeah, another kind of stuff, one shot share anywhere, so you can just have your shot and share anywhere you'd like through social media. And I find it's like cool. First time I saw it, I was like, well, they introduced live videos, not live but live streaming videos, which it was really cool. But when we have it on our hand, I think we're gonna explore more and see what's happening. Not only that, we're having up to 8 times slow-mo, which the slow-mo, it can be short or ramp up to 4K, and it's bananas. 4K slow-mo, man, that's cool. Another kind of stuff, it has a 24.7 megapixel photos from video, so I think you can go back through your video throughout a certain part and get that picture throughout the video sequence, and you save it, you get 24.7 megapixel. I think that's what they refer. Not only that, on the sensor side, it's really ridiculous, and you can get the same pixels throughout the sensor of the picture, not sensor of the picture, which is really great. Now, another kind of stuff, it's built the perfect setup. Now these are like the clipping for the people who like clipping, you know, like going with the certain clipping method. Like I would like these extensions, I would like these modules, you know what I mean. And there'll be a third party. Since that time, I think it's a good thing. Other people, they can develop and get creative making this extension or modules. And I've been saying so many times, like these modules, they're like interacting all of them together, but these ones, they're more kind of refresh compared to the older back in the days modules of the GoPro, which it's really impressive. And another kind of stuff throughout here, as you can see, it tells you upgrade with the max lens mode. Now I think the max lens mode is like giving you more wide. Is it more wide? It tells you deliver the ultimate field of view. That's wide. It's ultimate field of view. Unbreakable video stabilization. It gives you more video stabilization through that module, which is really cool. But since you're having the Hyper Smooth 5.0, I don't think if you prefer getting that module, but there are people who would like to get that module, which it's impressive. But for the people who won't like it, well, I think still you can get creative and still make things perfectly without even that module. So that's what's up, guys, about the Hero 11 Black Mini. This is my core. I know there's Hero 11 which came out, still it's the same lineup going on. It's a really cool one, perfect one, top notch, and yeah, it's a really nice one. But today I decided to talk about this because this is what captured me and it reminded me of my Hero 4 session. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video today of the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini, and it's a really nice one. I can't wait to put my hands on this kind of GoPro. I don't know when, but I promise you guys, when I get it, I'll share with you guys fully in action how it is. So yeah, and not only that, some of you guys know me, I'm a cyclist, so I'll put a lot of things in action. If I tell you things in action, don't worry about that, just leave it up to me. I'll share with you guys what's happening. So that's what's up, guys. Up to on the next one, it's your boy here, Abdurrahim113. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, support your homeboy. We hit 5K subscribers, it will be much perfect. And yeah, up to on the next one, peace.